Don't know what it's like to drown away in a puddle of shame. Yes, you made me insane. But not anymore. I'm in control. I understand you can't do